My dearest in Jesus, my Father, Prophet Emmanuel, I have a great honor to tell you thank you for being my spiritual father. My name is Agnes, but God has changed my name for Emanuela. I come from Poland. I'd like to wish you happy birthday, and I'm going to celebrate your life, to give thanksgiving to God for raising the greatest prophet ever, the son of the King of the universe. I'd like to tell you thank you. My life has changed. I overcome my sins. And my spirit became strong. I'm not broken anymore. I have received wonderful job, 4 full times in one. And I live in a new house that I didn't build and didn't buy. I have received prophetic mantle. You have visited me many times in dreams. And my heart chose you as my father. I was adopted. I never seen my biological father, although I have wonderful dad. I would like to be your spiritual daughter. You deserve full title of being a father of whole humanity. It's a pleasure and honor. I would like to tell you thank you. I would like to wish you happy birthday. My dad, I love you. I would like to wish you a lot of blessings and anointing from Yeshua, from Jesus, the King of the whole universe. Anointing with oil of gladness, of joy, from Psalm 45 for royal wedding. I believe soon we are going to be raptured, his true church. He revealed me this in a prophetic dream on his wedding feast in heaven. So his true church will be raptured, and I have a privilege and honor to be your daughter. And thank you for sharing with me your spiritual gifts. Many miracles happen in my life. And I wish you this anointing with oil of gladness, of joy for wedding banquet, because soon we are going to be in heaven. I love you. I believe I know you. You are my father, and your teaching is for whole universe. I wish you the most beautiful love with your Creator, and thank you for. I'm going to give praise.